Traveling with Wigs. So I'm on vacation, and you might ask, and this is a road trip type of vacation, so I can take a little bit more with me and pack here and there. So I do have my bag of wigs, and I brought about 6 wigs with me, so wearing one and then packing some. And the way that I pack them, you see here I just have the bag designated for wigs and such. I pack my wigs in these satin bags. I think it keeps the hairs from just rubbing against each other. It's soft, and so that's how I like to pack my wigs. And they always come out always looking good and really nice. So I haven't worn this beauty yet, but we'll share her pretty soon. And I'll show you what she's all about. This is Voice. I always have my wide tooth combs. This is a longer wig I'm wearing today. I always like to bring a couple of claw clips because you don't always, I don't always just want to wear a short wig. I like being able to wear a long wig, but if you want it off your neck, then you can twist it up, put your claw clip in, and then voila, pull some hairs down like that, right? So great little travel tip is take long, take short, take something that can go with whatever your vibe is, if it's romantic, if it's dinner, if it's hiking, if it's swimming. So that's why I have like 6 wigs with me. But these pack up really nice and flat. You can put them in your suitcases, easy to travel. Sometimes when I go back and forth from America back to the Netherlands, I have so many of these. The other thing is also I bring my wig shampoo with me, and my conditioner, and my silicone spray. And these you can all get from Wigs.com. This is their Beauty Mark shampoos and conditioners just for wigs. And so, because they're going to get, with the being outside in the sun, if you get in the water, if you go swimming, if you're hiking, if you're touching it, it's going to need to be washed. Maybe you've worn it a few times. I do plan on probably going and swimming. Today I'm wearing Star Quality Raquel Welch here in Palm Springs Blonde. So this would be one that I would get in the water with because she's going to be, she's low density. I'm not afraid to get her wet. She's not going to float off in the water. So yeah, that's how I would wear this. Also bring a curling iron. So like this, and this is nice because it has cool air that comes out. I can regulate the temperature, but if these start feeling like after I've washed them, or they're starting to feel a little frizzy on the ends, I can go use this and just straighten it out and get it back to where all the fibers are nice and really nice and smooth once again. So again, this is Star Quality. You can see here I have her pulled up with a couple of little clips just to give it a little bit of a different look, kind of a little bit pulled back look. I like that. And then let me show you, let me grab them and let me show you my other things I have to have on trip. So every hotel usually has a door hook, right? So look at this. Now I always bring an extra one in case there just isn't, if I run into that. But these I love because these I can stack, and I usually have however many wigs I have, like 6 or whatever. You don't have to bring that many, but you can see, even if you have 2 or 3, you can hang your wigs up, get them out of their black bags, hang them up, right? Or if you've washed them and they're drying, you have some place to hang them. So this is a really must-have for me when I'm traveling on a trip. So don't forget to bring your shampoo, your conditioner, your silicone spray to keep them really nice and soft, a heating tool to, again, if they get frizzy, to smooth them out, your black satin bags, your hangers, and you're ready to travel about the country. So enjoy. This is just my travel tip for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Do, my darlings. Bye.